Hello boys and girls, today I would like to show you how you can reformat your bibliography page by using an app that is called Easybib. As far as I know that you all must have this particular app on your Google Drive, on your Google Doc, but if you happen, now this is so that will show, as I showed you, like a slanted reddish orangish book here somewhere on your Google Drive. But if you do not have it, that's no problem. So you can open up your Google Doc document, in this case your bibliography page, and then you go to your adds on and install it. Let's go and give it a try. I'm going here and let's say, okay, I'm choosing Andre's bibliography page. Andre, I hope it's okay with you. So what I'm going to do here to show you how you can actually, let me just, okay, this is Andre's page, and you see here it says adds on. When I click on adds on, I see that Andre already has Easybib bibliography creator right here. So this is the first place you go, opening your Google Doc, and then you see if you have Easybib app. If you don't have it, there's no problem. You can come all the way down here. It says get adds on. You click on that and you will search for Easybib app, and then you install it easily. Okay, so let's move on here, and I'm going to an opening, click on Easybib bibliography creator and manage bibliography. I will click on that and you will see that there is a window opening up here to the right side of my document. I'm looking at Andre's bibliography page, and I see he has multiple URL addresses. So these are all websites that he had used. So if you see here, it says website, journal article, and book. So since this is a website, I click on website. And the next thing I do, I will copy this URL addresses. I highlight it, and then I use Command C, and I copy it, and then I paste the URL address in this box by pressing Command V, and then search. While you do that, you can see that immediately the website is found. It says waste management, so I select it. After I select it, here it says add bibliography to doc. That means when you press that, this reformatted shape of this particular URL addresses will be added to your bibliography page. And here it says style MLA 8th edition. This is something that you can change this, but for this particular purpose, you all use the style of MLA 8th edition. So let's see, when I press add bibliography to doc, as you will see, this will appear on your text. It says work cited, and this is exactly the same article that Andre used and is cited here in the right format. After you did this, obviously you go and then you delete the URL address, because that you do not need it. You need to do exactly the same thing with every single URL addresses that you have used. You will go there, you copy it, you paste it, and you will the site will appear here. Make sure that you will separate all the websites and all the books and all the interviews, different sources that you have used, in different categories. That means you do not use the books and website next to each other. You can create different categories, all the books together, all the website together, all the interviews together, all the newspaper articles together. So you keep your sources separately. And lastly, you need to write them in alphabetical order, but that can come later. For the time being, I think you should be able, all of you should be able to reformat your URL addresses for the website and books by using this very user-friendly app. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.